Comparison is almost a sin, especially when we're comparing what we have with others in a way that is belittling of what we have. In a world of social media, it's become so difficult. Everyone showcases things they don't even have at times. And then people who see it are looking at this perfect image of some perfection that didn't exist for a purpose. And yet we begin to think what I have is nothing. I don't have a spouse like this. I don't have children like this. I don't have a home like this. I don't have money like this. A lot of it is material. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, helps us dealing with this difficulty of comparison by telling us that look at those who have less than you in terms of worldly material items. It will help you to appreciate what you have.